Somewhere right now, an attack plan is unfolding, and no human is in charge. No pilot, no commander shouting orders, just algorithms, calculating, learning, adapting. Drones rise silently over the horizon, each one knowing exactly what to do. And the scariest part? They taught themselves how. Welcome to the new era of warfare, where artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules faster than anyone expected. From the skies over Ukraine to secret test ranges in Nevada, a silent revolution is underway. Artificial intelligence is giving machines the power to see, decide, and act on their own, faster than any human ever could. What began as simple reconnaissance drones has evolved into autonomous networks capable of shaping entire battles. Number 1. Swarm warfare. Thousands of drones acting like a living organism, coordinating through AI hive minds. They overwhelm defenses, outthink countermeasures, and strike from every direction at once. It's chaos for the enemy, and perfect order for the algorithm. Number 2. Drones that can see. Using advanced computer vision, systems like Yolov 7, they identify and track targets with stunning accuracy. In seconds, they can decide whether to observe or strike. But when machines decide who lives and who dies, who's really accountable? Number 3. When GPS goes dark, AI keeps the drones alive. Using camera vision, inertial sensors, and terrain matching, they navigate through jamming zones. These machines can fight, even when blind. Number 4. The fourth revolution is information. Swarms now act as flying data centers, watching, sharing, and analyzing everything. Together, they form an intelligence web that predicts enemy moves before they happen. Number 5. Humans aren't out of the loop. They're in new roles. Pilots now command AI wingmen that fly, scout, and even defend autonomously. It's teamwork between intuition and computation. Number 6. Learning on the fly. Reinforcement learning algorithms let drones adapt mid-mission, rewriting tactics in real time. Every battle becomes a lesson, every mistake, a data point for evolution. Lastly, AI turns scale into strength. One operator can command dozens of drones, extending reach, persistence, and power at a fraction of the cost. War is becoming a numbers game, and AI is multiplying the odds. But every advance cuts both ways. Faster decisions could mean faster mistakes, and autonomous retaliation could trigger wars before humans even realize what's happened. The next global conflict might begin, not with a human order, but with a line of code. AI and autonomous drones are transforming warfare right now. Whether this future brings safety or catastrophe depends on how we control the code, not the machines. If you want to understand where technology and warfare meet, subscribe and stay ahead of the next revolution.